Live your fairy tale beginning at Polhill Park, Bedford. The property offers ensuite as well as one-bedroom apartments where each room comes with a comfortable bed, underneath storage, a bedside table, a chair, and a desk. Polhill Park caters to maintaining a healthy work-life balance as they offer a well-equipped gym, game room, outdoor area, courtyard, communal television set, vending machines, bike storage, and laundry services so they don't have to worry about anything on a weekend, and you can take a break that you deserve. Since the property is just a short ride to Cranfield University and the University of Bedfordshire, you can take a nap between your classes. Also, with 5-star restaurants like Wendover Cafe and Italia restaurant, you can grab a bite anytime you want to. Whenever you are too exhausted from your city life, you can spend a quiet evening with yourself at the art gallery and botanical gardens. Moreover, travel expenses will not cramp your style at all. Honiton Way Transport Interchange is at walking distance from the property. Live the life that you always imagined for yourself. Learn, live, and grow at Polhill Park, Bedford. Book your spot now at amberstudent.com.